Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican Cooking Journey. Tons and tons of you when you ride on over here, special welcome. And those of you who were there with me from the beginning of this journey, and you're still here, manners and respect. On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, we're going to be preparing some Mother's Day breakfast, Jamaican style. What I'm going to be doing, as you have all seen by the title and the thumbnail, Mom is going to be really proud of you if you do it this way. So let's get rolling. Right on over here, I've got some water here. I'm going to scald my saltfish. I have another pot with some water coming to a boil. And I'll add that. Now, I have pre-soaked my saltfish and I've thrown off the water. Saltfish is something that has been cured. I don't know the saltfish that you get in foreign, but saltfish no need no worry about boiling like oxtail. When you cook the saltfish, you cook it to let it get a little more tenderized as to pull away from the bones, because it has been through this process that it has been cured, salted and dried. So you just boil it to take out some of the salt and also to get it a little back on the tender side. So we don't need to cook the saltfish 30, 40, 50 minutes. So because I've soaked it once, I'm going to go now, I'm going to put it in this water and I'm going to let it scald off. Scalding means as soon as it starts boiling, I'm going to be removing it from that water and I'm going to be putting it in some cold water. My ackee is here, the water for the ackee. As you can see, it's boiling. You're not to put your ackee. I'm going to be putting a little salt. You can measure yours. If you're a good cook, you know it go. Now, some people cook the ackee with the saltfish. They would put the saltfish in and then they put the ackee on top. My mother used to do that. I don't like it that way. If you like it that way, do it that way. Okay? I don't like it. I prefer to cook my ackee separately. Some people like it that way. I honestly don't. So I guess it's when my mother used to do it, I think it would save time with the wood fire. Now we have only past stove burn and let me sit in this. I'm gonna put in my ackee. They are a bit sort of slightly frozen. I've removed them from the freezer and they were there thawing. So I'm gonna give it a little stir. And this is it. And I think too, I have too much water inside my ackee. Therefore, I am going to be removing some. We don't want too much water on the ackee. That's good enough. And remember, do not put your ackee in water that is not boiling. Okay? So, now that that is happening, you can cover your ackee and it must be on really high because you're going to be monitoring your ackee. Your tin ackee is good. You don't have to worry. So, Miss Debbie, me not have no fresh ackee. Remember, I did the video, tin ackee versus canned ackee versus like just fresh ackee. And I'm going to leave the link for you to go check it out. Those of you who have not yet seen it, go check it out. So, your tin ackee is good enough. Some people were contemplating the brand and the brand. I don't know the brand that I use was fine. So your tin ackee is good in this Mother's Day recipe. Right now, here we have some dough that we have prepared ahead of time for making our fried dumplings or Johnny cake. This is what we have here. It's always best to make your dough ahead. Some people make it overnight and they say they wrap it in cling wrap and leave it in the refrigerator. I really don't do that. It can be done, not a problem. It doesn't matter. If you can do that or you want to do that, do you. I just prepare it ahead of time and probably about an hour or two and it will be fine. You want to have your dough really soft, So when you start pulling your dough, it looks like this. Real nice with that stretch. That gives you that. You see that? You don't want the tough dough. This dough will give you the perfect consistency. That nice, soft, succulent, juicy finish in your fried dumplings. Okay? So, let us go. And we're going to get this dough in 2 equal parts. This is all. So, you just do it like this. Okay? So this dough was properly worked. It's soft. It's manageable. Okay? You know, want look about no fried dumpling if you go give mama, we are go broke up mama denture. Okay? Remember, it's Mother's Day and you're treating her. I remember say we're under quarantine. So you break off your, and you have the video is there showing you how. See, my saltfish is coming to a boil. Maybe another minute. I'll be removing it and throwing off that water, leaving it in some cold or some just regular tap water. So you want to make your dumplings to suit you. There are videos there that shows you how to make your dumplings in depth. I'm gonna be going now and I'm gonna be making my dumplings. My oil is there. Coming to look at me, show them up, Dad, show them up. Could be a little hotter, but my oil is there. So I'm going to be putting in size dumplings like these. Try to remember to put in the baking powder, or else you forgot one of them chainsaw. If you go cut the dumpling in two, if you give mama, it got tough. The baking powder gives the rising agent that helps also to make it soft. Okay? If you're a new cook, try to remember your baking powder in the fried dumpling dough. I'm going to be going now, putting in my dumplings, and I'm going to be removing my saltfish, and I'm going to be leaving it in some cold water. When we return, you'll see where I'm at. Me soon come. Family, I'm back. Hearing a little sizzling. I always try to cover my pot, and most of the time, 99% of the time, I fry my dumpling them in a Jessie. And as I've showed you on so many videos, when I'm doing my dumplings, I cover them. So that me, them a fry, them a steam. Me always get it right, because that way you know that your dumplings are cooked to the core and you will get the moisture. Okay? Right on over here, my ackee is being cooked and it's in this colander here and it's draining. Something about the ackee, you're not to let your ackee overcook, because if it cooks too much, look at this, the pegs are old. If it cooks too much, it will just get, you can't, there's nothing you can do to it. You must monitor it. Okay? When it is cooked to how you know it's supposed to be, you're supposed to drain it from the water, or drain the water from it through your colander, your strainer, whatever, and you're gonna leave it to let it stay right there and just come right back, cool down and cool and stay firm. Hence you have the ackee pegs. When you're fixing it up, you don't have them plaka. God, man, you don't want to serve mama plaka ackee. So, and you also don't want, when you're putting the ackee in the pot, you have a lot of water draining off. That is why your ackee is going to taste bitter. Because I've told you so many times that the water from the ackee, it tastes bitter. Because ackee is a fruit that has a gassy. It makes you gassy too. I did tell you. When you eat too much ackee, if you have gas problem like me, it makes you gassy. It floats up on your stomach. So it's like a, you know what I'm saying? So the water from the ackee, even the thin ones, it has a bitterish taste. So you want it to be properly drained and stay there. Whilst all it does stay there and just cool on its own, and you don't have no water in it, you will get your nice finishing with your ackee. Now right on over here, I'm going to show you my dumplings. They are coming to come. They're taking color and all of that. So I'm moving them around. And let me tell you something. You don't have to worry yourself about all of them no uniform and all of them no round. Look here. Real authentic Jamaican fried dumpling. Them no uniform and everybody round. No, darling. Them just, the thing, you want them coming perfectly colored and they're cooked to the core. That's what the authentic Jamaican fried dumpling. Everybody in a round and uniform, I've got the end of it and a uniform we are looking for. We're looking for texture and we are looking for succulency. Nice fried dumpling, you see me? So this is what is happening, and as you can see, I did not forget my baking powder. So if you forget for your baking powder and you see them now rise, nobody say, Miss Debbie, if you do, I don't know what you to do, darling. I don't know. Remember to remember your baking powder, and try not to put too much. Try to learn to adjust. Like if you have a pound of flour, you put like 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Try it that way, depending on the baking powder. Try also to remember to test your baking powder, because sometimes some people that doesn't cook a lot, you have the baking powder and it get outdated. If it get outdated, it won't work. Now, I've got here, you need a little black pepper. If you don't want to use black pepper, you could use, you could grind some cloves or grind some allspice, and you would get a little, you know, that little something there to put over it. I have here, you can see, so let me a real quarantine scallion, onion, and a little piece of sweet pepper. It's like it's getting ripe. This is what I have in my quarantine kitchen right now. You could go out and you could get some fresh and nice and everything and all of that. I'm not going out there, darling, okay, without a cause. These can do. If you like tomato, put some tomatoes in yours. I honestly, it's not that I don't like tomatoes. I do like them, but I don't want, let me repeat, I don't want any tomatoes in my akis. Why? I don't like the taste where the tomato give the ackee. That's just me. If you like tomatoes, chop up your tomato, put it in your ackee. Okay? Now for the fish, the saltfish. So remember, the saltfish have this little thing on it, you know. This thing, you want to clean it off. Try to remember to do this. Get a fork or a little knife, and you want to remove all of this little backing from the saltfish, giving it this clean look to the back, to wipe this part so your saltfish will look just like this, and you pick it up to how you want it. If you want them big and round like piece of oxtail, fine. If you want to mince them as fine as sugar granules, do you, baby. We are making Mother's Day breakfast. I don't know how your mother like her ackee and saltfish. Do what you know mom likes, but at the end of it, make sure it's palatable. Gonna go now, gonna get this fish all prepped, get these little quarantine stuff all prepped. I've got some bacon in there thawing out, because we're gonna put a little bacon. Mine is just regular. If you have turkey bacon, you can put it if you so would like to add it. So when we return, the dumpling should be finished, and we're gonna be on the subject of fixing up or putting together the ackee and the saltfish. Must soon come. Okay, now family, we are back. First things first, this is our finished fried dumplings. So we put them, we use napkin to the bottom to, you know, absorb the excess grease, and we have some at the top there covering it over. Yep. So all the warmth that you took them from the pot with, they are still in there, and they will just stay right there and get, whilst you're, you know, preparing the other stuff, they will just stay right there. As I told you before, don't worry about it. Miss Debbie, them not come around. You know, in Jamaica, we don't worry about dumplings looking fried dumpling. Look, when baby, the cooked ones, you can, you know, go a little extra with the cooked one. But when it comes to the fried dumpling, we have a place in Jamaica here by the name of Dumpling Shop. Everybody line up to get fried dumpling. Nobody is thinking about, oh Lord, we don't want, you're not bought no dumpling around. A dumpling we say around here, we out here wait for dumpling, fried saltfish, and Milo tea. Tell me what you know about Dumpling Shop. Tell me if you ever come to Jamaica. A lot of Jamaicans know it, you know. But tell me, anybody, have you ever visited Jamaica? Anybody take you to Dumpling Shop? Big up Dumpling Shop, fried dumpling shop on Walton Park Road. Up. So now we are going to be, now we finish with the dumpling and all of that. So we are going to, we have some bacon. As I told you, you can use your turkey bacon if mama no want the pork bacon. Up with your flame. We're going to be frying off this bacon until it gets really crispy. Right? So this is where we're at. I've picked up my saltfish right on over here. Some little saltfish there, and as I told you, if you want to make yours finer, bigger, do your thing. But make sure at the end of the mama breakfast palatable. You just want to know those dumplings are soft and succulent. Ackee and all of that, no poto poto, and all of that. And mama breakfast well cool. And the saltfish, no salt, and all of that. We have got our little quarantine condiments here to put with it. You're going to wait for the bacon, put it on an high heat to fry off. And when we return, you're going to see the bacon done. And I'm going to go once more and show you how to look about mama ackee and saltfish. Must soon come. Okay, now family, we are back. We have got here our little crispy fried bacon and all of that. Now, inside Jessie here, I do have the bacon oil. What I did, You know, when you fry your bacon, it always comes with those little crispy extra and they get a little extra brown. So I scrape those and I still have the bacon oil left back. And I also use a little of the oil that I use to fry the dumpling. So I have reasonably amount of oil to do my saltfish. So at this point, some people would go ahead and start fry up the little seasoning something first. If that's how you do it, no problem, go ahead. I always put my saltfish to fry off to get like a little brown color. That's how I like my saltfish done with my ackee, okay? So if it is that you put this before you put your saltfish, you go ahead. I always like to fry my saltfish to get a little brown crispy looking color, almost not as crispy as the bacon though, you know, but almost as crispy as the bacon. So I'm gonna do that now, leave it, and then when I return I'll be adding this to it. Me soon come. Okay, now family, we are back. This is how I like my saltfish into my ackee. You see it? I don't like it going on thin there. You pick it up and it does, you know, have that little whitish color. This is how I like it. But if you like to put in your little seasoning first, go ahead. Now it's time for my seasonings right inside my saltfish. And as I said, for the people that likes tomato, you can put your tomato in now. So you see the look at the look of my saltfish with all my little stuff them in there. So I'm gonna go now. Let me seasonings them go through. I'm not gonna cover it, just swirl it around a bit. I don't like my onions too saggy. But if that is how Mama like it, do it the way Mama likes it. I'm just showing you, sharing with you, in case you don't know where you're going to do for Mama breakfast, Mother's Day breakfast, yes? But do it how you want to do it. This is how I want my saltfish and my onions looking before I put in the ackee. I'm going to give it probably another 30 seconds, just, you know, stirring, swirling it around and all of that. So, me soon come. Okay, now family, right back at you. I'm ready now for my ackee. Alright, now that my ackee is in, I'm going to be putting the black pepper. Heat should be up there, the heat not supposed to low now. Putting in a little, not a whole lot, because the black pepper enhances the ackee, but everybody have them different things. I don't want to eat black pepper. You should do I just, you know, so from the bottom and over, trying to make your ackee pegs stay. Look at that. You see what I say? Yeah. Make a deal with this now. Leave it to simmer down a bit, and then I'm gonna add in my bacon the very last when I'm serving it. So when I return, I'll be plating some of this Mother's Day, pre-Mother's Day breakfast, Jamaican style, just for you. Right back at your YouTube family, and shoot them up, Dad, with the bacons on top of the ackee. So I'm just gonna go now and just give it a little spin over, you know. You see it? No plaka ackee around here. Now we have got some dumplings. We don't know how much dumpling Mama like, you know. You must know if Mama belly long. In Jamaica we say if your belly long, or if Mama is a foodie. You got to know how Mom is. So you must take up now and make sure, say, some of them bacon here come up in a Mama food with all of them nice saltfish and all of them something here come up. So I thought, Mama, I don't know how your mom is. Try to know how your mom is and try to serve it to her just the way you know she would enjoy it. Alright? Now, I did find one little workless planting. So I just put two sides, just to, and if you can get avocado, I can't, you can put some avocado with that. Remember, in Jamaica, avocados are seasonal. Alright? So, this is your Mother's Day breakfast idea in case you never made up your mind, in case you don't know where you want to look about for Mama. Shoot them up, Dad. Shoot them up. And now, let's get to the point of nice, soft, juicy. Look at me here. I hope them are seat, you know, Dad. You see this? You seen this, family? You seen this? Yeah. You just want to open up your dumpling. Make Mama open up her dumpling. Right on over here, Dad. And you just come when Mama, she just take her dumpling and she just take up some ackee and saltfish in her dumpling. I want to eat it, but I can't eat it. It's too hot. Gotta get it cool out. Must soon come. I don't know, say me a mukbang and me eating, so me can't, look at me here. This is the softness, the succulency. I saw you if you fry mama dumpling them. Eh? Because if you don't fry them, so you're going to end up with your look out your denture, you know. Remember, if mama have denture, you have to make sure you prepare for your denture, you know. So look here. This is fried dumpling, ackee and saltfish. Little bacon. Shoot them up, Dad. I'm back. I'm not done eating today, but I'm back to finish the video. If you have, please do enjoy. From my Jamaican kitchen to your Mother's Day table, to your plate, and most of all, to Mama's stomach, it is Jamaican fried dumplings, ackee and saltfish. You can put what you want to put with it. Please do enjoy. Now, if you have liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed to the Jamaican Cooking Journey. We'll be giving you a Mother's Day Jamaican style dinner idea, mixed meat. Okay? Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you stay subscribed. Remember, when you do subscribe, hit the notification bell. Okay? You can serve this with hot beverage, cold beverage to mom. Okay? Please do enjoy once more. Thanks for your love. Thanks for your support. Remember that our little merch is there. Thanks also to those of you who have been supporting us on our little merch. Those who have not started as yet, we still thank you in advance. Thanks for those of you who are reaching out to us with your little donations and all of that. We thank you so much. Big and little, it doesn't matter. When I say little, it was just like a little figure of speech, you know. So we thank you for the love. We thank you for the support in this time. People don't normally think about people because it is so hard. So I just want to say thank you so much to those of you who have remembered us and to send a donation for us in times like these. Thank you so much. Remember to be you, do you, most of all, love you. Stay tuned for the Mother's Day Jamaican dinner idea, mixed meat. Love you.